Okay, so if you want to lower or increase the pressure of your water pump, first of all, you need to look for a box similar like this. And there could be multiple places where you can find it. First one, like in my case, is just in the water supply room. And the second most common place probably will be at the water pump itself. It doesn't really matter, but definitely there will go the electricity cable, and there's also will be the meter that will show the current water temperature. So to change the water pressure, it's fairly easy. First of all, of course, you probably want to unplug the electricity for the sake of the safety, and then you need to unscrew this plastic screw, which is just holding on the case, and then of course you will find the plugs for the electricity. You don't care about that at this moment. We care about the two springs, the big one and the small spring. And if we look on a meter, there's a water pressure. So basically each of these screws regulate their own things. And if we talk about a big one, so let's say our target pressure is 4 bars, and so 4 bars is the line when the pump will turn off, and the lower pressure could be, let's say, 2 bars. So 2 bars is the pressure at which the pump again will turn on. And by regulating the big spring, you are not changing the total amount of the pressure difference, which is 4 minus 2 equals 2, but you are just changing the position of that pressure range. So I'm not sure about unscrewing it or screwing it together. You need to test that yourself, but basically you can change it from, let's say, not 2 and 4, but put it 2.5 and 4.5. So we still have a 2 bars in the middle. We're just changing the upper level or lower level. And the small spring, that regulates the total amount of the pressure in between these positions when the pump turns on and when the pump turns off. So by screwing the small spring, you can change that. Let's say the upper pressure will be 4.5 and the lower will still remain 2. So you just screw and play with these springs to achieve the desired result. But first of all, keep in mind that I'm not sure what's the correct English name, but these tanks, the pressure in these tanks is basically based on the pressure in your whole system. So if you are changing this like dramatically, then you also need to change pressure in your tanks. And the second thing, if you have a low pressure suddenly, then it's probably not a problem of the regulation. It could be the problem with your water pump. And the third thing is higher pressure does not necessarily means more water. If you have like rusty pipes over your home, you can have a very high pressure, but still the water velocity will be very low. So keep those things in mind, experiment, and wish you luck. And of course, don't forget to turn off the electricity cable before you touch this stuff.